歐洲有人27天，閣再出現天狗假日，佇咧西班牙是人超過100天，才閣看到這款的天文景象，吸引到大約600萬的遊客來咧參觀。也因為當地即馬是當着熱流，相關單位有發布高溫的警示，提醒遊客得要預防熱傷害，嘛得要注意火燒山。
佇沙埔的民眾掛下離光的目鏡，當日頭予月亮完全炸掉，攏無光線的時，現場出現熱烈的撲克聲。歐洲西部人27天，閣再出現頭一屆的天狗假日，大家攏真興，真濟人專工飛去西班牙，因為這是當地100年才有一屆的天文奇觀，前一道是頂世紀1905年。
It's my second. The first eclipse I saw when I was a child in the Philippines. It was a partial eclipse, so I think I got excited and I wanted to see another one. And this one is a near total eclipse, so it's a little different. So yeah, it was exciting for me to see it.
冰島的首都雷克雅維克也是人72天，閣再看到天狗假日。雖然下晡雲真高，甲日頭光炸掉咧，也毋過佇當地時間尾暗仔5點44分左右，天頂熊熊變暗，有2分13秒這麼久，互現場的民眾真驚喜，直直講時間袂輸已經停落來。
I saw that it came quickly came a darkness over the place. It was a sort of surreal, and it was strange. It's like from another planet or something. So I didn't know what to expect, but it was very surprising, even though we didn't see the sun or anything.
這條天文盛事引起觀光潮，西班牙當局估計有要600萬人來到北部甲莊下地區，也毋過因為熱人的效應，當地消防部門高度戒備，趕緊發布高溫預警，呼籲民眾愛離開火燒山高風險區域。若是西班牙甲冰島，包括法國巴黎、英國倫敦，也有德國甲意大利等地，雖然敢若會當看到偏一邊的天狗假日，也是成大陣民眾走去外口看，為難得的時刻留落珍貴的記錄。公視新聞鄭偉林、鄭建公編譯。